report of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on Waqf Bill was tabled in the Rajya Sabha today, and soon after the 600-page report was presented, chaos erupted in the upper house, following which it was adjourned amid sloganeering by the opposition. The opposition leaders, led by Mallikarjun Kharge, called the report farzi or fake, alleging that their dissent notes had been deleted and amendments by the ruling party members bulldozed. All the allegations were refuted by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, who said nothing has been deleted. Take a look at what happened.
जो वक्फ बोर्ड की जेपीसी की रिपोर्ट है, जिस रिपोर्ट में अनेक सदस्यों ने अपना डिसेंट नोट दिया है, वो नोट देने के बावजूद भी प्रोसीडिंग से निकालना और उन मेजॉरिटी मेंबर्स के व्यूज सिर्फ उसमें रखकर बुलडोज करना, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये कंडेमेबल है और एंटी डेमोक्रेसिक है, एंटी प्रोसीजर है। और ऐसे फर्जी रिपोर्ट को हम कभी नहीं मानेंगे, सदन कभी नहीं मानेगा। वो रिपोर्ट में डिसेंट व्यूज नहीं है तो उसको वापस भेजिए, निकाल दीजिए और उसके बाद में फिर एक बार, दो बार और एक बार आप पुनर्विचार करके उस सभी डिसेंट व्यूज को डाल के आप पेश कीजिए।
रिपोर्ट ऑफ द जॉइंट कमिटी ऑन द वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल 2024, डॉक्टर मेधा मिश्रा कुलकर्णी।
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of record of evidence given before the Joint Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 as listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's list of business. Sorry. Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise to lay the Hindi and English versions of the report of Joint Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 as listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Record of evidence of the Joint Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024, Dr. Medha Mishra Kulkarni.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of record of evidence given before the Joint Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 as listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's list of business.
Some of the concerns raised by the opposition party, I have just checked it. There is no deletion, there is no removal of any part of the report. Everything is tabled on the floor of the House. On what basis you can raise this kind of issues? Don't mislead the House. Sir, I am very pained to say that the honorable members from opposition parties are making unnecessary issue by raising issue which is not fact. The allegation is false, sir, and as per the rule, the JPC had conducted the entire proceedings. There was no violation of any rules. All the members from the opposition parties participated in the proceedings of the JPC for last 6 months.
Sir, the minister has said categorically, and then the clarification about the rules are very clear, but we are being misled in this house as though there's a wrong thing. The minister in your presence is saying the truth, and they don't want to even look at. And here is a member who says, how does the minister know? Isn't the minister the member of this house? What is this kind of a misleading of the House by honorable members who are supposed to be familiar with the rules? It's outrageous, sir.
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, big showdown in the Rajya Sabha. The centre saying that the opposition is trying to mislead the House. So the showdown continues even as the discussion on the same is likely. But what next in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha?
Well, in fact, you see, Pratibha, today is the last day of the parliament in this particular part of the budget session. And we know for a fact that how the government has been saying this, that we are ready for debate and discussion, but the opposition is trying to disrupt the atmosphere of the parliament. They do not want Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha to function, and perhaps that is why this kind of disruption is being undertaken by the opposition parties. Now, we saw that as soon as the JPC bill was being tabled in the parliament, the parliament in Rajya Sabha accepted that by the voice vote, but then we saw that how exactly there were serious allegations coming in from the opposition leaders who were part of the JPC on Waqf. Now, they basically stated that their dissent note regarding this particular Waqf report was not tabled, and it was being removed from the report that was being tabled in the House. Now, while the opposition leaders were making this claim, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju stood up and stated that all the dissent notes that are being given by the opposition leaders are part of the report that is being tabled on the floor of the House. So, as soon as this allegation was being made by the opposition, there was a rebuttal coming in from none other than the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, who is also the Minority Affairs Minister, Kiran Rijiju, saying that all the dissent notes are part of the report that is being tabled, and the opposition is trying to mislead the country, mislead the parliament, and they have just one aim: to disrupt the parliament. In fact, we saw that how the JP Nadda, BJP president, also spoke in the House, and he stated that this kind of behavior is condemnable. Now they are trying to disrupt, they don't want to indulge in debate, and we saw that how Mallikarjun Kharge called the JPC report as a furji report which should be sent back to the JPC. So there was a massive uproar, Rajya Sabha got adjourned, but then we see that how exactly the allegations and counter allegations are coming in. But the government on the floor of the House have also stated that no dissent note has been removed from the report which is being tabled in the parliament. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Mohit, stay with us. After the Congress, the other India allies also echoed these claims. The TMC said that the opposition MPs' dissent notes were censored either using black ink or white paper. This is the claim that they have made. They've also alleged that the BJP is trying to hide the opinion of the people.
जो जेपीसी की रिपोर्ट आज पेश किया गया है राज्यसभा में, मुझे दुख है कि एक लोकतंत्र में जो विपक्ष के सांसदों ने कहा, जो डिसेंट नोट हम जिसको कहते हैं, उसका पूरा सेंसरशिप हुआ। उस पे सफेद कागज कहीं लगा दिया, कहीं काला इंक मार दिया। तो देखिए, लोकतंत्र में अगर आप सबके व्यूज को ही बाहर नहीं आने देंगे, पब्लिक नहीं होने देंगे, तो ये जेपीसी का क्या मतलब है? तो इसका विरोध ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने किया है, और मेरा मानना है कि ये कमेटी रिपोर्ट, ये बीजेपी की रिपोर्ट है, और इसके पीछे एक बड़ा षड्यंत्र है।
Report has been tabled. We have strongly protested against this particular report because the dissent note that many members of parliament, opposition members of parliament, had given to this report has not been to this bill have not been included in the report. This is censorship. You're censoring the voice of the opposition. You cannot push this bill without broad consensus. There will have to be broad consensus on this bill. You cannot push it simply for your own political agenda, the government's own political agenda. It cannot be pushed in this